All right, so this is just going to be a short video about how to kind of set up your ePortfolio if you haven't done so already. You can find the information about the ePortfolio right here under the first module, and it has a little bit of information there along with this check off list, which is also shown over here. This is going to be an outline of everything that needs to be in your ePortfolio for semester one, which we are in. All right, so bear in mind you'll need, for example, a one paragraph explanation of one of your imaging lab experiments, a good resume, some goals, your shot records, and so on. And then the section they should be in is found here. What I want to do first is show you the location of the ePortfolio. That is free in Canvas. If you click on this little icon, I have a picture here, but not everyone does. You'll see here you have a bunch of different options, but I'm going to click ePortfolios, and then this will show all the portfolios you've created. You can create a new ePortfolio here and name it. Definitely make sure to make it public, otherwise I will not be able to see and grade it, and your peer reviewer will not be able to see it and look over it. This is a sample ePortfolio. And in here, it has recent submissions from different classes and so on. Um, I can see here it's definitely public, so you guys can go in and look at it if you'd like. But what I do want to go into is over here. So I have put all of the different profiles in here, and you can add these in your own ePortfolio as well. It is one of the criteria that you create these different sections within your ePortfolio. So if we go to my home page, I've just added a little image here. You can do write some comments here, introduce yourself, and then of course in the imaging lab X-ray, if we go in there, there would be a again this one paragraph explanation of the imaging lab experiment. And for example, I have this here, and so on. When you go to allow someone to see your ePortfolio, what you will need to do is, again, definitely make it public. If you didn't do that to begin with, you can just go in your settings and make it so. And then all you're going to do is copy the link, copy it, and email it to your peer and me. That link I can use as long as it's public to review your portfolio.